Wait. Here we go.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Liftoff of STS-7 and America's first woman astronaut.
But in a moment, the 1980s will be arriving. What a decade it is coming up.
Here she comes. 1-0 Spain.
What a fabulous goal!
Oh, absolute genius for Cristiano Ronaldo.
What the one for LeBron James.
LeBron stands alone.
Holy, over the fence.
Oh, they're worshipping him.
Pikachu, I choose you! Pikachu!
Mr. Potter.
I'd just like to say thanks.
Homer Simpson.
Whoa.
Homer Simpson.
Whoa.
Please stop doing that.
This really is a golden age of Indian cinema.
Welcome to my world. Coachella, y'all ready? Look around, everybody open. Y'all won that one.
She started out as a lady in a bathing suit, but she became so much more.
Hi, Barbie. Hola, Barbie. Oi, Barbie. Здравствуй, Barbie.
So cool.
I think as a songwriter, if you are open enough, you can connect with people.
This woman is the reason that I'm a songwriter?
A huge announcement today in the decades-long effort to harness nuclear fusion.
This will change the way we power our world.
It's Spider-Man. Oh.
This is what we signed up for, and this is what we do.
You're all heroes. I don't know how you do it.
It's in the darkest skies that you find the brightest stars. We're stronger than we think.
There is still good in the world.
Aloha also means you help anybody in trouble.
Isn't this our natural instinct? We want to do what we can.
Here we go.
This is the Ice Bucket Challenge.
Yes to inclusion, yes to love, yes to equal marriage.
We're standing together with people all over the world.
I had a dream to be the first black rock and roll singer to pack places like the Stones.
You're simply the best!
We thought with music you could change the world and have fun.
To keep moving forward, each generation passes the baton down to the next generation.
We believe that nothing is impossible. I will stand before you and speak with confidence and not be afraid.
Get up, Coco God. You just won the US Open.